How to install Instagram on any iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. In the App Store, tap on Search at the bottom right to proceed. Go to the search bar and type in the name of the app you are looking for. For example, Instagram. Tap on the search key on the keyboard to display the results. Locate the Instagram app in the list and tap on it. As you can see, Instagram is already downloaded on your phone. Over here, tap on Open to open the app. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. Scroll down to view and explore all the posts and pages. Following these steps, you can easily install Instagram on any iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.